Welcome to a new episode of Mindspace Hub, where we discuss books and ideas that can change our lives. I'm Oliver.
And I'm Isabella. Today we're diving into an intriguing book packed with valuable lessons, Restart by Gordon Korman.
If you've ever wondered how someone gets a second chance to start over after losing their memory, this book has the answer.
Let's explore this world full of challenges, relationships, and personal growth together.
Isabella, how about we start with a general summary of the book?
Sure. Restart tells the story of Chase Ambrose, a teenage boy known at school for his bullying and aggressive behavior. However, a strange incident changes everything. Chase falls off his roof and wakes up with no memory of who he is. Suddenly, he transforms from someone who can't even remember his name to a person trying to rediscover himself.
So, the story begins with Chase trying to adapt to his new reality, right?
Exactly. Chase embarks on a new journey, discovering that his past actions caused pain to many people. The main challenge is how he faces his past while trying to build new relationships and stay true to his newfound self.
One of the standout elements of the story is how the community reacts to Chase. How did his peers treat him?
There are two main camps. Some see him as a hero who deserves a second chance, like Brendan Espinoza, who shows him significant support. Others, like Shoshana, see him as a threat because of his past actions, especially concerning what happened to her twin brother.
The relationship between Chase and Shoshana develops intriguingly. I think it reflects themes of forgiveness and change.
Exactly. The story isn't just about Chase, it's also about the people around him and how his past affects them. In the end, they realize that everyone can change if given the right opportunity.
Isabella, what do you think about Chase's character?
He's very complex. At first we see a teenager who's lost all memory of his identity, but as the story progresses we see him trying hard to become a better person. His past actions haunt him, but he uses them as an opportunity to grow.
Shoshana's character was full of anger at the beginning.
Of course. Shoshana represents the difficulty of forgiving someone. Her relationship with Chase evolves when she sees genuine steps from him toward change.
What about Brendan?
Brendan symbolizes positivity in the story. He's one of the few who believe Chase deserved a second chance.
I think the most important lesson in the book is that change is always possible, don't you agree?
Absolutely. No matter how dark someone's past is, they can start fresh if they're committed to it.
The book also highlights the importance of forgiveness.
Forgiveness isn't just for the person being forgiven. It's a relief for the one offering it as well.
The social dynamics and relationships in the book give it a lot of depth.
Restart isn't just a story about memory loss. It's a book about transformation, personal growth, and the impact of our actions on others.
If you're looking for a book that inspires you to think about how we can all become better, this is a great choice.
Thank you for joining us in today's episode of Mindspace Hub.
Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts with us. See you next time.